Hello, Midnight Engineers. If you've ever commissioned a multi-display system, you know this moment. Everything looks perfect, and nobody wants to touch anything. Because in real life, the PC changes. The content changes, the image changes. But the display system is supposed to stay the same. Let's swap the source from a PC laptop to a MacBook. Different GPU, different operating system. Definitely a different, someone set this up, situation. Switching from a media player to someone's laptop. Does this sound familiar to you? Geometry didn't shift, blending didn't drift, no emergency meeting required. This is what decoupling means here. Display orchestration does not live inside the source machine, and it's not buried inside each display device either. A dedicated processing layer enforces the same mapping and blending, regardless of which source is plugged in. Change the source, the behavior stays. Sometimes the most impressive thing is when nothing happens.